Good afternoon, my noobs. Today we got a little project here. We're going to be installing a Harbor Breeze 2, or a Twin Breeze 2 ceiling fan. Everybody, a lot of other people are out celebrating the 4th of July weekend, and here it is Sunday, and as per our usual, we're working on projects. This is going on our outside deck, or outside porch.
Disclaimer, don't use scissors this way.
Yeah, don't use scissors this way. I was running with them earlier. But that's how I roll. Well, we got nice instructions there. We'll see if we have to get into those or not. Maybe, maybe not. Looks like it all comes boxed up. There's our hanging bracket that's for out there. That's probably for if you don't put the light in, which we're going to put the light in, I think.
Why?
I don't guess we really have to have it, do we? Okay, so first thing is take it out of the box and we put the blades on before we get started. So we'll set the camera up and we'll film it. Looks like everything's in here neatly. I would definitely say more than some assembly is required with this thing. So if you'll set the camera up, I'll get started. So we've got this old fan down here, and there's a couple lights there. But this thing's about 18, 19 years old. Came, I guess it was with the house when it was new. Still works, but starting to sag down, as you can see. So that's where we're going to put the new one. We got plenty of space. This is like an 8x10. And the total length on that one is 74, so which should put each fan basically midway between the light and where the fan is now. Okay, I looked through the instructions a little bit just to make sure I was using the right hardware and stuff. Comes with the hardware for the blades, which is CC. Let's just make a shelf. They put enough plastic on this.
We got the fan blades put together and now he's adding them to the motor.
It's a matter of twisting these slots around where you can get to your screw. Screw it down. Need a thin, long screw Phillips. I just made one.
You'll have to cut that.
Okay, next find your two little covers here and the little screw-on grommets here that hold it in place. Get on there, make sure it's sitting flat. Okay, we got it together. I put the go ahead and put the bell on it here. Don't forget to put that on before you put your rod, your hanging rod on. And it comes with about 3 foot of extra wire. I cut most of that off because you only need a little bit for this. Anyway, blue and black go together. That's the light, and blue and black go to black, white goes to white, and green goes to ground, of course. Make sure you got your power off before you do this. But I'm assuming you already had it off when you took the other one down. So. Pull the wires out there like that. Slide this into place. Hook. Boom. Now to get all my wires hooked up. That should be simple enough. Like I said. Blue and black to black. And green to green. Green to copper. White to white. back to black. Get your wires back up in your hole there. And these little set screws are here. Loosen them up a little bit. Got to slightly loosen them. A shorty would come in handy here, shorty screwdriver. Okay, now light bulbs.
The babies. Is it supposed to be like this?
I guess it'll be self-leveling. I don't know. We'll see here.
Okay.
I'm a little concerned about that. I don't know. Comes with some little bulbs, but it looks like you could fit a full-size bulb in here. I guess at least it comes with bulbs. Give me that and those two things there. Okay. When you do this, make sure you're make sure your little what do you call it, little chain is hanging down out of that hole. I just wasn't getting on there straight. Last thing, put the two chains on. And one spark light. I'm going to say this unless I should have looked on there.
That one's usually the fan, and the center is the light.
Okay. Now for the moment of truth.
You haven't clicked anything on.
There's light.
I can fill that out here. That's awesome.
Looks like there's 3 settings. That's off. That's high. What do y'all think? We got it up there.
And they're putting out some pretty good air, surprisingly. It says 72 inch on the box, but actually from
It says
blade.
74 inch on the box.
Oh, it does? Okay, I was gonna say from blade to blade it's 74 inch. End of blade to end of blade. Pretty cool. Well, there you go.
So that concludes our install on our Ethan Allen Breathe 2 double ceiling fan. Looks good, works good. I would say the install was a little harder than I was anticipating, but overall not too bad, just harder than a normal fan. I could probably put it together in 30 minutes now that I know what I'm doing. And maybe you will be able to by watching me suffer through it. You guys have a great day. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, leave a comment. That helps a lot on getting the videos out there. And we will see you on the next one. Noob out.